Hello students, how are you? Fine? Okay. Let's see fifth lesson mass media and history. What is media? मीडिया आपको पता है, आप जब भी देखते हो टेलीविजन, रेडियो, मोबाइल, दिस इज मीडिया। मीडिया से क्या पता चलता है हमें? जो देश विदेश की बातें हैं वो सब हमें पता चलती है मीडिया से। मीडिया एक क्या है? एक इंफॉर्मेशन है जो दूसरे देश से हमें अभी यहाँ घर बैठे हमें पता चलती है, ये है मीडिया। अभी इस मीडिया की हिस्ट्री आज हम इस लेसन मास मीडिया एंड हिस्ट्री में देखेंगे। लेट्स सी मास मीडिया एंड हिस्ट्री। Mass media contain two words. Mass media, it is a two words, mass and media. What is mass media? Mass means aggregation of people. Aggregation means people to people जो प्रचार होता है उसे बोलते हैं aggregation of people. That is mass. And media, you know media. Media is a various mode of communication. ये क्या है? एक various mode है किसका? Communication का. This is mass media means aggregation of people and media is a various mode of communication. Let's see introduction to mass media. Mass media is aggregation of people and media means various modes of communication. Mass media is a field of mass of communication. We can easily send information far away destination to medium communication. In olden days, a crier would run in the street beating drums and crying out important news according to the orders of king. The news would spread among the people by the word of mouth. Olden days में आपको पता है वो इंफॉर्मेशन राजा की जो हम बोलते हैं दवंडी है वो कैसे पीपल तक जो जनता थी प्रजा थी उनकी तरफ कैसे पहुंचती थी। एक आदमी था, एक क्रायर था जो भागते हुए दौड़ते हुए उसके हाथ में ढोल होता था। वो ढोल बजा के क्या करता था? वो जो दवंडी है जो ऑर्डर है वो क्या करता था? ओरली माउथली बोलता था जिसकी वजह से क्या होता था? पीपल को पता चलता था। Let's see history of mass media. Printing technology and newspaper were introduced in after arrival of the British of India. Printing technology and newspaper. It is introduced when in India after arrival of British. Through the newspaper. Newspaper become the first mass media. Newspaper. It is the first mass media. Newspaper is the first mass media. It is the more important point for the fill in the blanks. Which is the first mass media? Newspaper is the first mass media. Newspaper become first mass media of circulating information, knowledge among the people. Let's see newspaper. Newspaper is a publication which mainly prints news, editorials, people's opinion, entertaining or other supplementary content. It is a printed and distributing regulator at definite rights. Newspaper provide tools, various local, national, international news. Newspaper are historical documentaries record current events. क्या है न्यूज़पेपर? न्यूज़पेपर में क्या होता है? एक एडिटोरियल होता है, ट्रेंड्स होते हैं, न्यूज होती है, पीपल्स के ओपिनियन होते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट की न्यूज होती है। जो अभी हम न्यूज़पेपर, अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते होंगे तो आपको पता चलता है कि क्या है न्यूज़पेपर में। न्यूज़पेपर में एक साहित्य होता है, कुछ जगह की खबरें होती है, एंटरटेनमेंट की खबरें होती है, कुछ साहित्य, कुछ लेखक जो साहित्य उनका लेख है वो भी उसमें डिस्प्ले होता है, वो प्रिंट होता है। और क्या है? ताजा खबर। न्यूज़पेपर क्या है? करंट इवेंट्स जो ऑकर होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? प्रिंट होते हैं न्यूज़पेपर में। प्रीकर्सर ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर. Before the beginning of common era, there was a custom in Egypt of placing inscription with royal degrees at a public place. Emperor Ashoka also resorted to similar method to reach out his subjects. Before common era में क्या होता था? जो इजिप्ट के राजा थे, रोमन एम्परर ऑफ अशोका, वो क्या करते थे? जो भी उनका ऑर्डर था, जो भी उनका रूल था, वो क्या करते थे? एक पब्लिक प्लेस पे वो क्या करते थे? प्रिंट करते थे ताकि वो सब पब्लिक प्लेस में आते जाते लोग देख सके और जो भी ऑर्डर है राजा का वो समझ सके। तो ये भी एम्परर अशोका ने फॉलो किया था। इन द रोमन एम्पायर रॉयल डिक्रीज वेर रिटन ऑन पेपर्स एंड दोज वेर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन ऑल रीजन। इन रोमन एम्पायर वो क्या करते थे? एक अपने राजा के हम जैसे बोलते हैं हस्ताक्षर बोलते हैं, उसके साइन से एक कागज पे उसका ऑर्डर, उसका जो था वो लिखते थे और ऑल रीजन में क्या करते थे? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे। दे आल्सो कंटेन इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ वेरियस events taking place in nation and its capital. Okay, during Julius Caesar region, newspaper known as Acta died. During Julius Julius Caesar. During that acta diarrhea, what is acta diarrhea? It is a daily जो रूटीन में जो होता था वो क्या होता था? एक्टा डायरना में डिस्प्ले प्रिंट होता था. It is used to place at a public place in Roman. It was a very effective way to convey royal commands to the people. In 7th century common era, royal dictates were distributed among people at public place. In England, handouts used to distributed occasionally giving information about war, important events. इंग्लैंड में क्या करते थे? हैंडआउट्स बांटते थे. क्या है? किसके बारे में? वॉर के बारे में. इंफॉर्मेशन जो थी ट्रैवलर वो क्या करते थे? हैंगआउट्स, जिसे हम पैम्पलेट बोलते हैं. अभी क्या है? पैम्पलेट्स के उस टाइम में हैंगआउट्स में क्या करते थे? वो इंफॉर्मेशन, इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स, वॉर के बारे में जो भी जानकारी थी वो क्या करते? हैंगआउट्स में प्रिंट करते थे. Travelers arriving from far away would add spice to stories from those places and narrate it to local people. The ambassadors of king posted at various places would send back important news to the royal court. Travelers जो बोलते थे, ये जो travelers थे जो इस देश से दूसरे देश जाते थे वो क्या करते थे? जो इस देश में जो होता था, इस प्लेस में, एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस में जो भी होता था वो क्या करते थे? स्टोरीज के रूप में क्या करते थे? एक दूसरे को बताते हैं. हम जिसे बोलते हैं रंजक कहानियां बोलते हैं, लेकिन वो भी होती है बड़ा चढ़ाकर. और उसमें उन पीपल्स में क्या है? एम्बेसडर्स थे. एम्बेसडर्स, व्हाट इज एम्बेसडर्स? एम्बेसडर्स आर दी पीपल्स ऑफ किंग. वो क्या थे? किंग के पीपल्स थे, जो प्रतिनिधि थे. वो क्या करते थे? जो भी होता था पीपल्स में वो जाके किसको बताते थे? रॉयल कोर्ट में बताते थे. लेट्स से बंगाल गैजेट. What is Bengal Gazette? It is the first English newspaper. Bengal Gazette is the first English newspaper. It is started in India at 29 January 1780, and it is named as Calcutta General Advisor. It is named as Calcutta General Advisor, or it is famous as the known Bengal Gazette. ये Bengal Gazette के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ. ये किसने स्टार्ट किया? जेम्स ऑगस्टस हिकी. It is an Irish gentleman. He started the Bengal Gazette. Okay, let's see Darpan. What is Darpan? It is also a newspaper. It is started on 1832. Who started it? The Bal Shastri Jambekar. Bal Shastri Jambekar started in 1832 in Mumbai. That is Darpan. What is Darpan? He is the editor of Darpan. In Darpan, he printed some news. In your book, there is some famous news are written on that. Let's read that. The accounts of the expenditure from the 3 administrative divisions of the East India Company. It is the first news. Second news, the danger of Russian attack on the nations. Appointment of committee for cleanliness of the city. Remarriage of the Hindu widows. The inception of theatre at Calcutta. And the most famous news is achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England. Reporting of such new truths light on various historical events of those days. उनकी जो न्यूज थे वो किसके ऊपर थी? पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिकल एंड सोशल एंड कल्चर पे डिपेंड थी, जो उस टाइम में बहुत फेमस हुई. लेट्स सी प्रभाकर. प्रभाकर क्या है? प्रभाकर इज आल्सो अ न्यूज़पेपर. भाऊ महाजन started that Prabhakar newspaper in he started that newspaper. The history of French Revolution and Sharpatre at that time. That Lok Hitwadi. Who is Lok Hitwadi? If you read GK books, then you have to know that Lok Hitwadi is a Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Gopal Hari Deshmukh started the French Revolution of Sharpatre. He aimed at creating social awareness were published in this newspaper. Okay, let's see Jnanodaya. In Jnanodaya, it is a main newspaper. In that newspaper is Map of Asia. It is printed on 1842. Firstly, that newspaper published that map of Asia at 1842 and the map of Europe in 1852. That time he had the honor of printing an illustration in India newspaper. revolution of telegraph used for electricity transmitting a news can be seen in Nanobit. The news of starting railways in India. It is important. The first news starting of railway in India was printed in Nanobit under the title Chakya Mazoba. It is important for the filling the blanks. And meaning Mazoba with wheels. It had also printed the newspaper India War Independence 1857. Newspaper in those times were very important media of creating social awareness. A newspaper is a very important media for what? For creating a social awareness. जो social awareness थे, इससे बढ़ रही थी newspaper की वजह से. A newspaper named Hindu Prakash. Hindu Prakash named newspaper supported the widow remarriage. Widow remarriage in a big way. Deenbandhu, you heard that name, Deenbandhu. A newspaper representing the masses of Indian society, बहुजन समाज जिसे हम बोलते हैं, was started by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. It is the main point. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule started the newspaper Deenbandhu. Okay, and that newspaper represents the masses of Indian society. कृष्णराव भालेराव विथ महात्मा ज्योतिराव फुले कृष्णराव भालेराव के साथ साथ ये जो न्यूज़पेपर था वो उन्होंने पब्लिश किया था. We can know about issues relating to the masses through this newspaper. Let's see Kesari and Maratha. You heard that name, Kesari and Maratha. It is a well-known newspaper. Kesari, Maratha, the two newspapers indicative of an important stage in the history of Indian newspaper before independence. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It is the main point. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, जिसे हम गोप Agarkar और Bal Gangadhar Tilak बोलते हैं, उन्होंने वो स्टार्ट किया था Kesari and Maratha. Okay, that they are started that paper in 1881. They started in 1881. It is the main point. Okay, and in that newspaper they spoke about the social and political issues of the period. Kesari began to publish articles about the nationwide situation. जो नेशन में जो अभी चल रही थी उस टाइम में सिचुएशन, वो क्या किया था उन्होंने पब्लिश किया था और आर्टिकल्स उन्होंने क्या किए थे, पब्लिक किए थे, बुक्स निकाले थे, नेटिव लैंग्वेज एंड पॉलिटिक्स इन इंग्लैंड. In 21st century, newspaper have continued to fulfill an important role. It was acknowledged the fourth column of democracy. Here we complete the newspaper. Here we complete. In this video, we study what is mass media, the aggregation of people. Media is a various mode of communication, and that printing technology and newspaper comes after arrival of British. That newspaper is the first mass media and Julius Caesar start entered Ireland. That is a daily routine जो होता था, जो happen होते थे वो उसमें display होते थे. Bengal Gazette. It is the first English newspaper and started in 29 January 1780. It is also known as Kolkata General Advertiser, but it is famous as Bengal Gazette. Who started that? The James Augustus Hickey. He is an Irish gentleman. He started the Bengal Gazette. Darpan. It is also a newspaper. It is started in 1832 in Mumbai, and Balashakar Ambedkar started that newspaper. Prabhakar Bahumajan started that Prabhakar newspaper, and Lok Hitwadi, French Revolution and Sharpatre. He wrote the Jnanoday. In Jnanoday gets honor to display the map of Asia, map of Europe. Okay, and Kesari and Maratha. It is a main important paper. Okay, it is a main important newspaper. That time, that paper display the nationwide situations, books in native language and politics in India. Okay, thank you.